Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to cancel Super Duolingo free trial on Android and iPhone. If you have decided that Super Duolingo is not for you, it is important to cancel the subscription before the free trial ends to avoid any charges. Luckily, you can do this directly through the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you cancel your Super Duolingo subscription. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Then, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions to manage all your purchases and active plans. Now, tap on Subscriptions to view a complete list of all your current subscriptions linked to your account. Find the Super Duolingo subscription plan from the list and tap Remove to begin the cancellation process. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Remove again to successfully cancel your Super Duolingo subscription after the free trial. Once these steps are completed, your subscription will be canceled, and you will not be charged when the trial period ends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.